Plant FAQs. Begonia solenia salmon coral. Begonia solenia salmon coral. Your guide to this vibrant bloomer. Hi, Ferbvu here. As a plant enthusiast, I've been captivated by the Begonia solenia salmon coral. This begonia boasts stunning blooms and surprising resilience, making it a fantastic choice for gardeners of all levels. Today, I'm diving deep into everything you need to know about this captivating plant. From its dazzling features to helpful care tips, this guide will equip you to cultivate a thriving Begonia solenia salmon coral. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. The Begonia solenia salmon coral is a variety of the Begonia elatior, known for its large, showy flowers. This specific cultivar stuns with double, salmon-orange blooms that can reach up to 3 inches in diameter. The vibrant flowers boast coral pink highlights at the tips, creating a truly eye-catching display. Sun or shade. Unpacking the Begonia solenia salmon coral's light needs. Unlike most begonias that prefer shade, the solenia salmon coral thrives in full sun. This characteristic makes it a standout amongst its begonia cousins. However, in scorching hot climates, some afternoon shade is recommended to prevent scorching of the leaves. Planting power. Where does the Begonia solenia salmon coral shine? The Begonia solenia salmon coral's versatility is another reason for its popularity. It flourishes in various settings, making it a true garden chameleon. Here are some prime planting locations. Landscaping. This begonia's mounding form and vibrant flowers add a burst of color to flower beds and borders. Containers. Planted in pots or hanging baskets for a stunning display on patios, decks, or balconies. The mounding habit makes it a perfect filler in container combinations. Mixed plantings. Pair it with contrasting foliage plants or other flowering varieties for a dynamic visual effect. Championing care. Keeping your Begonia solenia salmon coral thriving. While the Begonia solenia salmon coral is a low-maintenance plant, providing proper care ensures it reaches its full potential. Here are some key tips. Watering. Water regularly, allowing the top inch of soil to dry slightly between waterings. Avoid overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Soil. Use a well-draining potting mix. A mixture of potting soil, perlite, and vermiculite works well. Fertilizer. Apply a balanced liquid fertilizer every 2 to 4 weeks during the growing season. Blooming beauty. When does the Begonia solenia salmon coral flower? Get ready for a long-lasting floral display. The Begonia solenia salmon coral boasts an extended blooming period, typically starting in mid-spring and continuing until mid-fall. With proper care, you can enjoy its vibrant blooms for a significant portion of the growing season. Begonia solenia salmon coral versus dragon wing begonia, a head-to-head. Both the Begonia solenia salmon coral and the dragon wing begonia are popular choices for their vibrant blooms. Here's a quick comparison to help you decide. Light. Solenia salmon coral thrives in full sun, while dragon wing prefers partial shade. Flower size. Solenia salmon coral boasts larger flowers, up to 3 inches, compared to dragon wing's blooms, around 2 inches. Habit. Solenia salmon coral has a mounding habit, while dragon wing has a trailing habit, making it ideal for hanging baskets. Ultimately, the best choice depends on your specific needs and preferences. If you seek a sun-loving begonia with large, showy flowers, the solenia salmon coral is a winner. Beyond the bloom, additional tips for success. Deadheading. Regularly remove spent flowers to encourage continued blooming. Simply pinch off the flower where the stem meets the main plant. Pests and diseases. While generally pest and disease resistant, watch out for common garden problems like aphids, mealybugs, and powdery mildew. Use organic methods like insecticidal soap or neem oil for pest control, and ensure proper air circulation to prevent fungal diseases. Propagation. Want to share the beauty of your Begonia solenia salmon coral? You can propagate it through stem cuttings. Take a 4 to 6 inch stem cutting with a few leaves, dip the cut end in rooting hormone, and plant it in a pot with moist potting mix. Keep the soil moist and provide bright, indirect light. With some patience, you'll have new begonia plants in no time. Is the Begonia solenia salmon coral easy to grow? Yes. This begonia is known for its ease of care, making it suitable for both experienced and novice gardeners. Does the Begonia solenia salmon coral attract pollinators? The vibrant flowers and nectar production attract butterflies, hummingbirds, and other pollinators to your garden. Can the Begonia solenia salmon coral be grown indoors? While primarily an outdoor plant, it can be grown indoors with sufficient bright, indirect light. However, outdoor placement allows it to reach its full flowering potential. How do I overwinter the Begonia solenia salmon coral? In colder climates, you can bring the plant indoors before the first frost. Prune it back slightly and place it in a sunny location. Reduce watering during the winter months. With its captivating blooms, ease of care, and versatility, the Begonia solenia salmon coral is a true gem for any garden. By following these simple tips, you can cultivate a thriving specimen that will brighten your space for months to come.